Good morning from just outside the beautiful port of Amber Cove. We actually made a big mistake this morning. We didn't realize the Dominican Republic doesn't observe daylight savings. So the ship's time is 6:40 and Dominican Republic time is 7:40. Sunrise said it was at 7:03. Ship time, that's 6:03. I can't believe we made that mistake, but it happens. So this is the excursion that we have planned today. It's called the Amber Beach Club. Hopefully it's pretty good. Hopefully I can fly my drone there because I haven't been able to fly my drone much. Other than that, hopefully it's a good time. I want to snorkel there. I want to see what they have. The beach does look really nice from the pictures on Carnival's website, but they have been misleading before, so I guess we'll have to see for ourselves. So we're in port at Amber Cove right now, and what's really cool is the Carnival Elation's actually backing up to port right next to us. It's really awesome seeing one of the last Fantasy class ships next to the brand new Excel class Mardi Gras. Take a look at this. So there's the Elation all the way out there. Look at the size difference compared to that beast. Due to all the music on this excursion, I decided to do a voiceover for this part of the video. So for our time in Amber Cove, we chose to do an all-inclusive beach at the Amber Beach Club. On Carnival's website, it's called All-Inclusive Beach Getaway and costs $79.99 for adults and $69.99 for children. I would say that the price is very fair, the lunch was very good, and it was buffet style. The drinks were absolutely delicious, and the service there was very good, and the staff was super friendly. Anytime it looked like you needed a new drink, they were there to give you one. So let's talk about the beach and the water at the Amber Beach Club. There were many chairs available, but only a few included umbrellas. However, there were many shaded areas where you could be shaded by palm trees, and it did stretch for a good section of the beach in the location that we were at. The beach, however, was pretty rocky. Even going into the water, it stayed a little rocky, but there were many sandy areas where you could stand. The water was warm, but there was a lot of seaweed. There was a lot of seagrass, which is why I didn't go snorkeling here. But that all seems to be a pretty common thing with this area where Puerto Plata is on the coast of the Dominican Republic. But overall, I would give this excursion an 8 out of 10 because we did have a great time. So now, let's hop in to some more drone footage. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed all that footage from our excursion. I highly recommend that excursion here. It was a lot of fun. But now we're back on board. I'm going to get some big chicken. Brittany's going to get some guys' burgers. And then we still have 2.5 hours till we actually need to be back on board before we leave. So we're going to go walk around Amber Cove, even though we've done this quite a few times already. Still always a good time. This is a beautiful port. Amber Cove is definitely one of the most beautiful cruise ports. Not one of our favorite cruise ports overall, but I always love coming here because the beauty is just incredible. But now we're going to go head back on the ship. See you guys back on there. Alright guys, well that does it for our day in Amber Cove. I will see you guys in the next part of this series, and that is Grand Turk. We will be there at 7 a.m. tomorrow. Can't wait. That's one of our favorite ports.